C in T.
Hello cuties, welcome to Kids Entry. Today we are going to see about pet animals. Let's start. This is cat. C-A-T, cat. This is dog. D-O-G, dog. This is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. This is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. This is turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. This is hamster. H-A-M-S-T-E-R, hamster. This is chameleon. C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N, chameleon.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.